Hi guys, it's Kevin from the Figaro Owners Club and we're in lockdown. How really horrible for everyone at the moment, and I hope we're all keeping safe. I wanted to share with you a great little thing that I've been sent from Steve Laser. Steve's doing loads of really great stuff on Etsy, and it's a Figaro desk tidy. So I'm gonna video me unpacking it and making it. Just a bit of fun really. And this item is available on Etsy. It's 10 quid plus delivery. So I'll give some information at the end of it, and so let's crack on. Okay, let's go then. So this is what I love about Etsy. The quality of the packaging. Nice little tissue wrap. I'm doing it now. Look at that. Wow. So this must be the base, I guess. And that's where he's cut it out from. He's cut it out from a sheet. That's all one sheet, I guess. So that looks like the front and the back. Oh, the back windows as well. Brilliant. That's the front. So yeah, I mean, we were responsible for the artwork here. So Steve's used that, which is really good. This is on one of the artworks that we use for one of our dimensional drawings for the Figaro, so that's really cool. Right, I guess it is got to be, that's the front, isn't it? So it's going to be kind of like that. I guess these line up. Yeah, there we go. So you have to bear with me. I feel like I'm on Blue Peter here. So this is, there we go. Plugs into that. Perfect. Lovely. That's the base of it in, I guess. You can see where the seats are supposed to go. And I would imagine that what you need to do now is put the windscreen in. So that's the front of the car. So beautifully made. There we go. And also the front here. Oh, I see. So that's got to go. Oh, blimey, I've probably done this round. Oh no, that is right. So that goes in like that. So maybe probably want to do the front bits first. Yeah, maybe. Well, there's no instructions with it, but it is fairly straightforward. Yeah, so you can always give it a little wiggle. That's what I've done there. So I guess if you wanted to, you could kind of glue this as well, which I might do at some point. That's the back window on the back of the car. I'll turn it round. And this is going to be fun to get this bit on, isn't it? It's like all these things. I bet you've got to line all these up to be a little bit fiddly. Probably do the bottom first. Yeah, well, that's pretty good. And then that's, yeah, that's that in. And it's a case of getting that lined up. Bear with me. There we go. I'm getting that one lined up now. Always the case with these things, isn't it? Oh, so fantastically cut out. Laser is just an amazing tool when you consider how fantastic that is. Look at that. Get rid of the paper. Well, it took about what, a minute to put together, and that's his website there, steveblaser.etsy.com. I've got his page up here, so I'll put a link in as well for this, but it looks so cool from the front. Look, little mirror, and got the grille indicators, and the side indicators, and then the back of it. And That's the side there. That looks so good. That's fantastic. Probably that's my highlighter pens, you know, something like that maybe. Little desk tidy. Or I might do is pop it up here with my other selection. Oh, I'm tempted to put it up here actually, if I'm honest with you. That looks great. Right, I'll turn the camera around. Okay guys, that's all from me. Thanks Steve, see you all soon. Stay safe out there. Love it, fantastic. Cheers, bye.